So we're going to paint the car today, and this is going to be the cheapest, DIY-est, easiest paint job you're ever going to see. Is it going to look okay? Maybe. But yeah, this is like a drift car paint job. It's the same as this, and this looks okay after like 3 years. So yeah, I'm actually going to paint that again. But this is how you're going to paint your car for super cheap, under like 100 quid, and that's it. Maybe even under 50 fucking quid. So what you're going to need is Montana paint. Before I used Montana 94, now I can't really find it, and so I'm using Montana Gold. This with some fat caps. They were like, I think 3 cents each. And some masking tape. This was, I think, €1 each, 150 each. So yeah, when you paint your car, you have to mask shit off that you don't want to paint. But if you can take things off, it's easier than masking. But sometimes you're lazy though. Do I really want to take the headlights out? No. Am I gonna?
Pink headlights.
Get the fuck out. Get out. I bet you this tape is just fucking shit. It's nice and thick though. I like that. So I've
Scissors maybe?
Get the fuck out, man. I'm already bored.
Shoot time lapse.
This is so fucking dumb. So I'm being lazy by not taking it off. It's gonna take actually more time.
It's gonna
I'm literally not even painting.
You paint the black thing.
What the fuck?
You're painting the wing.
Okay, so the more effort you put into this, the better it's gonna look. So if you like actually mask it off and like paint, sand it, it's gonna look a lot better than how it's gonna look. But yeah, I just don't care. So I'm just painting this bumper in the shed because it kind of started raining, so that's fun. So I got this with the fat cap, so it has lots of coverage. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed, but if you just come back far away, look at that for coverage. Holy shit. Five-second paint job. Zoom out a little bit. So the coverage is crazy. When you use the fat caps, you don't get the streaks, which I have on my blue car because I didn't use the fat caps. So it's literally just that simple. The more coats you use, the better it's going to look. As you can see, it's a fairly fast process. Just like with any paint, this is high coverage, so just keep it back and you won't have runs. Well, you'll feel it out. So it started raining, so that's good. If you don't live in Ireland, this might go better for you. So at least I could use the, yeah, just don't do this. Just the rain kind of like cleaned the paint a small bit.
Glossy things.
Paint the subframe too.
Actually, can I do this side?
Yeah, let me just dry up the side of the paint.
Can I do the bumper?
So that's realistically it. The more you put in, the more you'll get out. So more masking, some sanding you'll do. It'll look better. But yeah, pull the masking tape off. Wherever there's some overspray, give that a little clean. And yeah, that's it. Satisfying stuff.
Yes.
I think it costs like 50 euros. No, I like the two-tone. When you see the bumper on, you get it. So you can paint your car for 50 euro. Should you? For 50 fucking euro. Like, no, maybe it's like 70. It doesn't look 70 euro. It looks like 800 euro. No, man, this looks better than some plasti dip. It looks better than this one, to be fair. But
You just mask it off properly.
yeah, if like the more you put in, the more you get out. So yeah, it works. For a drift car, it's perfect. If you want a matte car on the road, fuck you, you can do that too. I did it. It actually draws more attention than like a fucking like 3,000 euro paint job, because everyone's like, what the fuck is that thing? And then they're like, damn, I actually like it. Or they fucking hate you, and fuck them people too. Yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you didn't, thank you anyways. And yeah, paint your fucking car, do what you want, in your driveway, in the rain, without a fucking tent, and without sanding it.